Hey everyone, it's Bart, your pilot in command. I'm heading out to explore Mahwah. We're gonna go to the trail conference. I think it's Darlington Schoolhouse. We're gonna check out Ramapo reservations and a few ball fields around there. So join me and let's go explore Mahwah.
You're watching Skylands, the local bird's eye view. My name is Bart, and I'll be your host and pilot in command for this mission.
Well, I'm at Darlington Schoolhouse. I think this place is closed right now. I guess I'm just gonna get a shot at this place. It's really cool looking. This is the trail conference for the New York, New Jersey Trail Conference headquarters. It's like the coolest looking building.
Today, we continue our journey on the Ramapo River and enter the Township of Mahwah. Mahwah was the home of the Lenape and the Ramapough Mountain Indians. The name is said to mean meeting place, and its roads have been traveled long before the Europeans settled here. Let's turn back time to the early 1800s. Mahwah was a town home to farmers and was then called Ho-ho-kus Township. The Paterson and Ramapo Railroad began service in 1848 between Paterson and ran through Mahwah. At the time, there was no railroad station in Mahwah. There would be a flag hoisted indicating that either cargo or passengers were ready to board. A passenger train stopped only when the flag was hoisted. It wasn't until 1874 that the first railroad station named Depot was opened. The station gave a huge boost to farmers looking to sell their produce and brought city people looking for a getaway. It was also the town's post office, telegraph office, and housed the village telephone. Fast forward to the mid-1900s, Ford Motor built a famous assembly plant in Mahwah. That, at the time of its completion, it was the largest motor vehicle assembly plant in the United States. It produced 6 million cars in 25 years of its existence, closing its doors on June 20th, 1980. Did you know that the Bruce Springsteen song Johnny 99 is about an auto worker that gets affected by the Ford plant closing in Mahwah? Fun fact, Mahwah Township sports teams remain named Thunderbirds in honor of the Ford plant. Presently, Mahwah is home to Jaguar Cars and Land Rover Vehicles North America headquarters. It's also headquarters for New York, New Jersey Trail Conference and the UPS. Mahwah is also home to Lincoln Tech Vocational School and Ramapo College. Did you know that during the winter you can snowboard at Ramapough Mountain Reservation? Yup. During the winter months, the mountain is covered with man-made snow and ready to explore. If you enjoyed this episode, hit the like button, support us by hitting subscribe, and until next time, Pilot in Command, signing off.